La 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 la. What the? What the? What the? What the? Oh, you fell. What the? Huh? What the? Ah! Bird! Ow! Ow! That hurts. Sorry. Oh. Who are you? I'm a bird. Tweet, 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 though. Who are you? I'm Luigi. Where's Mario? Question. I don't know. Hey, Luigi. What? Luigi. What? Luigi. What? Luigi. What? Wanna go back in time? No. Fine then. Okay. So we're going back in time? No! I'm not a time machine. But shrimp always. No, I'm not. But I just hunt shrimpos back in time travel. That's only for what I do with time travels. Toad can't, though. I wish I could. Maybe potato chips does. No, my potato chip does not. No potato chip. Oh, potato. Well, that answers that question. Potato chip does not have time travel powers. Okay, so I don't even want to go time traveling, but you don't. Fine. Oh. Hey, Luigi. What? Want to say hi to Piggy? No. Piggy's gonna get angry. So what? He's just a pig. No, you don't understand, man. Piggy is a devil. He's a devil to the universe. He's dangerous. And so what? I'm just going to relax it. No, you don't know what I mean. Piggy! 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 Where's Piggy, Red? I don't know. Dang it! I want to find Piggy. Piggy's my friend. Yeah, because he's green. He's green also! No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Piggy, I'm gonna show you my new friend I made. Now we have another member to the green troop. No, man, he's been making fun of Piggy. You've been making fun of Piggy. Ugh. Luigi, what? Piggy time travel device. Ow! Time travel bot. No, not the time travel butt dogs. Ah!